Here's RUNNA app running training plans. So this is very popular app for running. By the way, it was just acquired by Strava. I was just reading it. So yeah, RUNNA app was burst into the scene in 2021, and it's become the top app for folks in need of 5K, 10K, or marathon training plans. So this is kind of a niche running app. It's more for pro athletes. This is not an app for like your daily jog. This is more for people who want to run like 10K, for example. And then yeah, it secured a lot of funding. And so now Strava acquired it, and we don't know what will happen now to this app. Some people say that yeah, eventually it will just disappear and will be completely integrated in Strava. So yeah, running training plans, quintessential guide for the world of running. So with RUNNA app, anyway, let's see how it works right now, and let's see how it will develop in future. So you have customized training just for you. So our esteemed training programs are rooted in solid scientific programming, seamless syncing of your runs, all-encompassing support, strength amplification, dive into a vibrant community, access exclusive perks, engaging events and classes, a lot of plans. It works with Apple Watch, Garmin, and Soros. So pretty cool and popular app among runners. You can see 13,000 ratings and 4.9 average rating in here. So live audio coaching fits your schedule, fully customizable, workout variety, all your stats. And then here, yeah, you can then just, open it up. So now here, I don't know why it's a bit stuck in here. So yeah, these are the apps kind of like when you want to prepare yourself for some running marathon. So some people though are a bit critical about it, that it's not as good as it portrayed in media. It's great, but way too confusing, especially for a beginner. I wanted to add mile run on treadmill. It was on a workout day. So paywall 4 weeks in, glitchy, subscription only. So yes, these are the things it has, but also apparently it's a bit glitchy. So anyhow, here is the app. So then, yeah, you can then just go in and try to sign up. You can easily sign up with Apple or Google. So here it is. And try to sign up in here. So as you can see, yeah, definitely this app is a bit glitchy, as I understand. So something is definitely not working. Maybe after they were acquired by Strava, this stuff started to happen. So anyhow, this is the app. As you can see, yeah, to be honest, it's a bit glitchy, but I'm just trying to show as it is. And then there is also a referral code. So here is a RUNNA referral code. And then what's your goal? And then you can see here, you just select your plans. You can see all plans, returning to running plan, past to park run, new to running. So this is what this app is good at, that it has this like 10K, 10-mile plan, half Iron try plan. This is like specifically for that. So the app found its niche, and yeah, so that's the idea. And then you have suggested plans, take your running to the next level. Then you have activities. You can record run. This is how you get started. Then there is obviously a community. Pretty cool. Then there is gear categories. Then there is support. However, people say that support here is not their strongest thing. And then yeah, so like if you wanna, you can then just have these workouts. This is where you should focus in this app. So you have target goal, like for example 10 kilometers. Select the difficulty. So use so I don't know, like you can then just enter it, how long are you running 10 kilometers in, I don't know what's it, whatever. So and then you can just tap to continue, and then you might have this workout, and then you can select the workout and then starting to record it. And yeah, then you can just run with your headphones and have some motivational and practical recommendations on your run, and then your run becomes easier and much more structured and much more professional. So that's the idea of the app. Pretty cool. By the way, they also have a referral program, so give a friend 2 weeks free using the code below. So here is my code. Share your unique code with a friend or family member. This will give them a free 2-week trial. If they become premium subscriber, we'll send you 1550 gift card to be used on RUNNA apparel. So that's where it is. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, again, this app is not perfect, and who knows what will happen after Strava acquired it. But so far, if you wanna run longer distances, like 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, I think this is the top app right now. While Strava is mostly, I don't know, for like daily jogging or having some like fun Instagrammable pictures, whatever. Like this app is more like where you can really improve your running technique, especially on the longer distances in here. And you have your profile. RUNNA Premium, so as you can see, $20 per month, annually $120 per year. So they have free trial, 1 week free here and there. So they have free trial both on monthly and annual plan. Yeah, but again, if you're using my code, you will get a 2 weeks free trial. So just use my code when you sign up to RUNNA app, and yeah, you will get two weeks trial instead of 1 week. So that's the idea. And then yeah, you can also enter your code even after you already created the account. You can enter your code in here in the settings. So that's that. Always, if you're not happy, you can then just go and delete your account here in the bottom and all your data.